Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and Merry Christmas. Today we're doing a very exciting video where we're unboxing another advent calendar. This one I did purchase, this wasn't gifted, and this is going to be my very honest review on everything inside. So let me show you which one we're doing today. We are going to be reviewing the 25-day mini festive calendar from Beauty Crop. This, I haven't really seen what's in it. Like obviously on the listing it had little example pictures, but I haven't seen that for a while, so I don't know what's in it. It's going to be a surprise and it's gonna be exciting, so let's roll into it. Straight away, this is a really big calendar. So it literally has a whole lot on it. It's gonna take a while probably to find half these. Roll into it because there's a lot to get through compared to the other one. Day one. Oh, this is a cute colour. So day one is a little mini eyeshadow. This is called Prosecco. I love that it's like, I don't know, I love little minis because it means you get to try out the product but not commit. And also where I get so much product, I don't finish all of it and I have it all in a drawer. So little minis like this is perfect for me. This is a really beautiful colour, like it's kind of like a gold, so that's really nice. Day two. Ooh, okay. So this is a little Wee Cherie cleanser and it's a Radiance Boost Gel cleanser and this sounds really good. I haven't tried any of their skin, actually no, that's a lie. I have tried their skincare, I've tried their cleanser balms, absolutely adore them. If you follow my other socials, you'll know I use them 24/7, but this is exciting because I haven't tried any of the actual like cleansers. So this is their most popular as well. Wee Cherie. I feel like that's their primer and setting spray duo, so yeah, it's a popular one. I almost wish it was just in the row. Number three. Ooh, okay Beauty Crop, I see you. They are spoiling us already. So day three, we have a Wee Cherie eyeshadow palette. Let's open it up and look at the colours because this is exciting. We'll get there eventually. Oh wow. Let me so the colour story is really pretty because you've got obviously like the you've got like an overall shade which you can use all over, then you've got the smoke, but you've also got these gorgeous shimmers. Wow, okay. I wonder if they're pigmented though. Let me do a swatch of one of them now. Okay. That's gorgeous. Like I haven't had a nice swatch like that in a while, so that might be going everywhere with me from now on because that's beautiful. Wow. Day number four. Day number four is a big one again. Oh, okay. I feel like this is the skincare side. We've got a Wee Cherie Radiant Boost moisturizer, and I like that it's giving you all the steps in the routine. This is step 3, so there's going to be a step 2 somewhere in it. We just need to find it. Already though, like that's such a nice start to an advent calendar because every single product so far I will use, and this is good for like all ages because it's not just like heavy base products. I don't know, it just so far it's really impressive me. Number 5. Nice. That was a struggle. I really wish advent calendars were so much easier to open. But day number 5 is a little brow gel. I think this is quite a popular one as well. Grow and Groom. Oh, okay. Gel. Oh, it's a gel mascara. Oh no, it's a brow gel. So this is good because it means it will help grow the brows as well. Okay. I love a 2-in-1. So number 6. I'm gonna predict this is step 2 in the skincare routine. Oh no, I'm ripping it. No. Oh, okay. No, this is not step 2. This looks so exciting. Oh, this is actually the cutest little lip liner. Okay, these look like a bit of me. It looks like a nice cherry red lip combo. I'm excited. I feel like I never finish a full length lip liner, so this will make me feel so proud when I finish it, but already, oh, that is good. Okay, there'll be a short coming on that very soon. Day number 7. Ooh, I feel like every 2 minutes I'm like surprised. A mini pore filter blotting powder. I feel like I need to try some more powders out there because I've only got 2. One's like drugstore, one's expensive, but I feel like this would be quite a nice handbag one. It is so small. Oh, I love it. I don't know if that will do anything for me, but I'm gonna try it out and see. Next. Oh, I'm ripping like it off its hinges. This is not a good sign. Day number 8. One thing about me, I'll never be these like clean girl creators because this is how I'm doing an unboxing. We've got another cherry. I love that. For me, I love anything red and cherry, so this is the most perfect advent for me. We've got a little bath bomb. Okay. Wishery. So again, it's gonna smell like cherries. Love that. At 9. Oh thank goodness. Oh, okay. I'm so glad like most of them in a row here. Where are you? I've got a feeling it might have fallen down here. We will see. For day 9, I have nothing. Oh god. Day number 10. Come on. We have a set of 4 hair and body fragrance mist samples. I love a sample because I don't want to commit to a full size, but if you send me this, I will use all of them. Ooh, it says on the back what they are. Wishery, a Poppin' Peony, Colada Days, and a Sherry Noir. I'll definitely do a review on them because I do love a scent. Day 11, please have something in day 11. Okay, we've got a hydrating lip treatment in chocolate mint. It's a lip treatment, you know what it is. Day 12. Oh, I'm struggling to open it. I think day 9 is under this, hopefully. Yes, it is. Okay, we'll start off with these. Like, hello? They're so cute. We've got 3 little eye brushes, which I wonder how they feel. Let's open. Okay. That's quite a nice little, it's very dense. And then these are obviously like that's quite a nice little set though. You can literally pop that in your like travel bag, and then if you need to touch up or do a eye look, then that's all you need. Day 12 is a blush. I do quite like their blushes. I don't use them a lot, but they are gorgeous and pigmented. I bet this is going to be like a, don't think it's going to be a pink. I think it's going to be like a dark peachy tone. Might be wrong. Ooh, that is not what I was thinking. Luminous powder blush. That makes so much more sense when you see this. Like, look at that. That's gorgeous. Let's do a swatch. Oh, it's so creamy, like feeling. So, again. Oh my god. I put that everywhere. Like, what is this pigment, Beauty Crop? What do you put in your products for it to be this good? We've done the 12 days of Christmas so far, so we've got another 13. Kicking it off with 13. We have, of course, it has to be the Gripping Primer, the Wishery. I've had a few of these now, but I'm going to do a whole routine, I think, with the entire set because I need to give this another go. 14. Oh, I wish I could attach this front bit because it's very inconvenient right now to my life. Okay, I can't open it, so I'm just gonna rip it. Destroying this box today. Cute. We have a Vitamin Babe setting powder. I have the full size for this actually. Oh no, this is translucent. I don't have the full size. I have the pink one of this, so that's quite a nice little one. What I'll do is I'll do a video comparing the pink and the translucent, I think, so you know what's what. I've said that so many times, but I adore a mini because it's just so convenient to my life. Day number 15, I think a mascara. Oh, Oh no, it's a lip liner. This is in the shade Cupcake, but I don't even know if it'll focus. It's quite a nice little nudie mauve. They're adorable. 16. No. Yeah, I can't count today. Nice. To go along with the setting primer? To go along with the gripping primer, we have a Wishery Hydrating Setting Mist. This is adorable. I think you could definitely put this in your handbag and just spritz your face whenever you need it to touch up. There's cherry extract, hyaluronic acid, and aloe vera, and it's apparently suitable for all skin types. So, you know, if that's something of your interest, then I'll let you know how that goes. Day number 17. Oh, okay. Ooh, okay. Okay. Day number 17, we have one of their airbrush primers, Weightless Wonder. Is it just me, or does this seem like a little bit of a dupe? A little bit. It's got caffeine, cucumber water, and panthenol, which sounds a bit of me. I love a blurring airbrush look, and I'm gonna give this a try to see how it compares and if it really does what it says. Yeah. Day number 18. I think it's gonna be a lip product because it's in a little thing again. It is a liquid highlighter, so you really have like a full face minus the like foundation. So that's a gorgeous shade. It is a rose gold. I will do a swatch of them at the end because I feel like these need their moment. Okay, number 19. I feel like this would be such a cute little calendar like to open every day. This is one of the best I've seen this year, I think. Oh, I'm so sorry. The beautiful packaging is doomed. We have another hydrating lip treatment. This is in Sugar Plum, so I've got a feeling this will be like a pinky shade because obviously they are tinted. So again, love that. Day number 20. Okay, this one might be a lip product. Nope, I'm wrong again. Cherry Ice Mini Liquid Blush. So again, on theme of Christmas and the cherry, it's a beautiful red, and I feel like that would be really pretty. 21, conveniently next to it. Ooh. We have a Wishery Mini Hydrating Hand Cream. Let's have a little smell. I want to know, what advent calendars have you got this year? Have you got a beauty one, or are you sticking to a sweet treat? Because there's nothing wrong with having a little sweet treat every day. I love it. Let's actually try it out now. Ooh, that's quite nice. It's like a very cherry blossom smell. That smells really gorgeous. It smells strong when you rub it in, but that is gorgeous. Okay, we have had quite a lot of big little drawers. Is this going to be another skincare? I feel like it might be, because we've had step 1 and we've had step 2. No, we've had step 1 and 3. We haven't had a 2 yet. No, I'm wrong. My predictions are way off. This is a hydrating body wash in Wishery again. That's quite cute though. I think that will go in my like travel case because it's just conveniently sized. Okay, we finally finished with that side. What day was that? 22. We are on 23. I believe in you. You can do it. Oh, I didn't know this was in it. Didn't know there was a mascara in this year. This is in Cherry Noir. I wonder if it's got a colour to it. Let me open it. It says Sculpt Lift Mascara. Okay, first impressions. Oh my god. Look at that. That is gorgeous. That's like a brown burgundy. Okay, I'm obsessed. Thank you so much for not just putting a black mascara in it, because this is going to make the art, like the whole look, absolutely gorgeous. A 24. We're so nearly at the end. Wow. Wait, this might actually be finally the lip product to go with the lip liner. We have a Regal Rose Mini Glossy Lip Tint. I wonder if it actually does tint. Exciting. Although, I will say, looking very closely into it, it feels like it's settled sideways maybe because all the product on one side is just non-existent. We will see. A little... But I love that. We are finally, after absolutely destroying this thing, on day 25, Christmas Day. You wake up, you're nice and warm, you're about to open your last day of the Advent. What is it? Okay, I wouldn't be disappointed because it is the Airbrush Blurring Set Mist that goes with the primer, and I absolutely adore my current airbrush setting spray, so I wonder if this will be a nice dupe. Put everything in this little basket so I can keep track of everything, but £35, that is an absolute steal because you get to try out everything in the entire collection pretty much, do a full face, and also have an amazing like treat every day. This has honestly amazed me, and I'm going to be doing this in like a big review I think coming soon. Now we're going to do a bit of a swatch before I leave, but I'm so excited to have a look and see what these look like. This one is the, I don't even know what one this is actually called. I think this was the first one, but it doesn't have the name of it on the packaging. That's a bit of a flop, but look at that, wow. This is the rose gold one. This is the highlighter. Wow. Like, that is so beautiful. Last but not least, we have the lip tint and also the lip oil. The lip oil is in the cherry shade, I think. I'll do a bit here. Oh. Girl, give me nothing. For a lip oil. I'm not mad at that. And the lip tint. I'm a bit worried this one's settled a bit. Okay, I thought that'd be a lot more pinker. Wow. Let's do a line here. That's a gorgeous shade. There we have it. We've unboxed the entire 25-day mini festive advent calendar from Beauty Crop. Honestly, I was so surprised at the pigment. Every single product absolutely hits. It's a slay. So yeah, you've absolutely killed it. If you want to see more content like this, drop a subscribe, drop a like. Please leave a comment on what advent calendar you have this year. I want to know. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one.